the radio on my 2002 Toyota Tacoma. It's a pre-runner, 4-door, and yesterday, not that the fact matters that it's yesterday, but the radio just cut off. I don't know when it cut off. I do know that I had it on earlier that day, but I had turned the volume down for a phone call, and somewhere between that phone call and whenever I decided to actually turn it back on and listen to music once more, I realized that the radio screen was off. And typically when that happens, it usually means that when I was turning the volume down, I probably pushed the power button in. But that's not the case. It's not responding to anything. No power button, nothing here, nothing here. It will not accept a cassette. Nothing on the disc. I've checked all the fuses down below and I got nothing from those. Just kind of at a loss on what it could be currently. I checked all the fuses down below the console with a multimeter, but there's not too many of these trucks with factory radios still left in them, and just curious if anybody else has experienced this issue. I really don't want to tear this console apart, but more than likely I'm going to have to, whether it be to repair this one or to go purchase a new one. So that's where I stand right now, and I just wanted to give you guys a look. Maybe you have any advice, maybe you've seen something. Yeah, thanks.